Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Making money is the most discussed topic around the world. Everywhere around the world, people are discussing ways to make money. As sound as the topic might be, it is so difficult to come up with a direct answer as to how you can make money. If there's anything depressing, it's the idea of you buying data at a very high cost and just utilizing that data only to browse the internet, surf the internet to get few information, and you are not getting anything in return. So in this video, I'm going to share with you ways you can utilize your WhatsApp status to make money. If you are making money online or you are making money utilizing your WhatsApp status, it is of very interesting that you can recoup the cost incurred in buying data or the use of your internet. And many around the world are just using the WhatsApp status to show pictures of themselves to their friends and family members and colleagues, as the case may be. We've not been opportunities to notice the importance of making money using your WhatsApp status. So I'm going to give you step-by-step guide as to how you can utilize your WhatsApp status to make money. It will bring you a whole lot of money. Some are making $100, $200, $300 through their WhatsApp status, as the case may be. There are various ways you can utilize to make such amount of money on a monthly basis, on a daily basis, as you wish to. Making money on the internet today is so important, and there are various ways you can make money. In fact, by the use of these status, you don't need to rent shop, you don't need to have your own products in order to get money out of it. If you are smart enough, you know how to utilize your status, then this can work very easily. And for you to reach that threshold, you need certain characteristics or you need certain fundamentals that you need to develop. That is by ensuring that you have a large number of viewers to your WhatsApp status. If you have like people view like 500, 600, 1000 people who often view your status, there are every chances that you will have the chance of making money once you use it for the purpose of making money. I'm going to share with you 3 ways you can utilize your WhatsApp status to make money. So don't forget to hit that like button because it helps the video so much. One of the ways you can make money using your WhatsApp status is by advertising other people's products. There's very important opportunity that we have today that is yet to be explored. That is the idea of advertising other people's products on your WhatsApp status and direct buyers to that product for a commission. Even if you don't have the capital to start a business, you can go to friends around, you can go to people who you know are bringing in very good products, have a contract with them that, hey, I have so many viewers to my WhatsApp status, and as a result, I will be posting your products for a commission. I will post like 10, 20 to 30 products, various products, and direct buyers to this product. Once I have them, I will come along and probably take the product, sell to them, and then bring you your money. I don't know if you are understanding what I'm saying. That is the idea of you posting items that does not belong to you, but you sell those items and then get a commission. Once you have a lot of viewers, you know the number of people buying through WhatsApp status today. So if you go out there and say you have sneakers that you post at the cost of 250,000 leons, and then you have a buyer, but you really know that that sneaker is not yours, but you have a shop that you can go and collect that sneaker, then sell it to your customer for a commission. You can do that. You can get your commission if you have, say you have 1000 people who view your status. Of those 1000 people, there are every chances that 100 or 200 may be interested in the items you post on your status. And once you have like 100, 200 sales per day, say you are making 50,000 as profit per sales, then at the end of the period, you'll be making a whole lot of money from that status. But the catchy thing here is that you have to build that customer base through your WhatsApp. You need to have people who have frequent view of your WhatsApp status, and therefore they may be interested on the items you do post on your status, and as a result you'll be making money from those items you sell. That is one way you can make money on your WhatsApp status. That is by advertising other people's products that does not even belong to you for a commission. The next way you can make money is you advertising on your status. You can use your status for advertisement. Because you have the viewing base, you have people who can view. Companies may want to contract you for you to be advertising for them, saying good things about their product for a fee. So you can make short videos and post them on your WhatsApp status, and then kind of advertising, giving the qualities of the product that company is producing, and that companies will in turn pay you for the service you are rendering. Most times you are giving a promo code. And if you do that, people will just go to the company and say, I'm using this code to have this product. And that will earn you a commission for whatever purchase they will make in that company. Or the company will in turn be paying you for a service you are rendering, so you don't have that right to a commission. So you advertising through your WhatsApp status is one way you can also make money every day. It is everyday program, because as long as people are viewing your WhatsApp status, there are chances that you can make money with that WhatsApp status. The next thing you will have the opportunities of making money through your WhatsApp status is by you promoting affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular way of making money online presently. So if you have, say you have Amazon, you have other affiliate programs that you do get commissions for sales, you can promote those links to your status. And once someone click on those links and then do a purchase from those links, you have to receive a commission for those particular purchase that individual may be making from that affiliate link. So that is one easy way you can make money using your WhatsApp status. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways people are making millions of dollars today. So you can explore that opportunity, you can explore that facility based in that particular business model to make money through your WhatsApp status. If you go to Amazon, then you want to become an affiliate, you can then create the Amazon account, then you have your affiliate links of which you can share on your status. There are also other affiliate marketing programs. You just go to Google, types affiliate marketing, and then you will have a whole lot of affiliate marketing programs that you will explore. You will have them, and then you just be sharing those links to your viewers, and then they will go there, buy the items that they are interested in, and then you're making money out of buying they are doing. You are directly not owning the product, but you are getting money from the product you are advertising or you are an affiliate to. So those are the ways you can make money using your WhatsApp status, and I'm of the view that you can explore this opportunity to utilize the 3 opportunities that I've shared with you in this video, and you'll be making money on a daily basis. I want to say thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.